Okay guys, so please start rating this makeup at the comment box below. Okay, yeah, so hello my beautiful family, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel or this is your very first time you're seeing this gorgeous face, hi, you're welcome. My name is Wendy and in this channel I make content around my lifestyle as an immigrant living here in Canada with my family, and also how you can migrate to Canada. So if this sounds so interesting, please do not forget to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of my awesome upload. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think about today's video. So in today's video, I have a good news I want to share with you all, and I'm so excited. Like you can feel that from this video, as in from my face. You should be able to feel that from this video. So I have a good news I want to share with you all, which I know definitely you guys are gonna love it. Like you all are gonna love it. So sit back, relax yourself, get your juice and your wine while we jump right into it. So family, this video is actually sponsored by an Italian luxury designer bag, which is Teddy Blake. Yes, so I have a bag from Teddy Blake which I will be unboxing with you guys, and also telling you how amazing. Like I've already peeped a little on the bag to see how it looks, and I must tell you that the bag is awesome. Like it's awesome, it's amazing, like seriously. So I'm gonna go ahead right now to unbox the bag and show you how everything looks, and also tell you what I feel about the bag, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So let's move right into it immediately. So fam, the bag came with this box right here, and as you can see, Teddy Blake, New York. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's see what we have right in there. And yeah, I can see there is a very good write-up we have right here. Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake designer bag has made with you in mind, to be an extension of your unique style and filter your every fashion choice. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so I have in here this folder. This is more like a wrap to secure the bag, and we also have it in this bag right here. I'm gonna keep this around this side. So we also have it on this, which is a secure leather. So let's see. Guys, I must tell you, the color is so awesome. You guys know I love shouty color. I don't like any color that is dull, and that is why I love this color. Like seriously, I'm gonna bring it out. Let's just take a look on that. Fam, take a look on this bag. Can you see how awesome it looks? Like everything about this bag is amazing. I must tell you the single truth. This is how you open it, like here and here, and the bag is open like so. So inside of it we have another little strap on Fam, I must tell you that the quality of this bag is awesome. Like seriously, I love when it comes to luxury bags. And this one, the good part of it is that the leather is the pure Italian leather. So this is pure Italian leather, and also I love the fact that it has this detailing you see right here, this gold detailing as well. And at the back of it, you're going to be seeing another zipper where you can even put your phone or maybe your keys and all that. And inside of it, you still have a very massive space if you're type that want to change your bags to bigger ones, just like the way I am doing. I just want to have my bags as in have different sizes, and I think I went for 14 inches. This one is 14 inches. They have other inches in terms of the bag, and they also have some purses as well that you can purchase, and you will look glammed, as in you will look amazing wherever you enter in terms of any occasion or anywhere you go to. Like, people will have extra respect for you. It's not just having extra respect. Another good part of it is that the prices are not too high compared with being a luxury designer bag. And also look at how quality the leather looks, as in the leather is so quality, not too thick. I've got a bag that the leather was so thick to the extent that I decided not to use that bag. But this one, the leather is so awesome. You might think the bag is big, but the weight is not that heavy. It's just perfect. Like, this is perfect. My dream designer bag, you know. Yeah, so if you want to have yours, I would definitely leave the link in my description box. And the good news about this video is that I am not going to end this video without telling you that you will be having some discount. So you'll be having 60% off on any product that you buy in Teddy Blake's website. And also, additionally, if you use my code, which is TB Wendy N30, you will also have $30 discount. How does that sound? It sounds so good, right? Okay, so hopping straight into the description of this video, and I will also leave the my code on the screen. Please do well to check this website out, and I know you are gonna like it. You will love it, okay? And also follow them on their social handle, which is Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook as well. Let's just have this luxury designer bag, because we all need something like this in our closet. All right, thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for this beautiful luxury designer bag. I so much love the bag. Thank you so much. It's so amazing. It's so awesome. And guys, I'm going to be ending this video right here. And if you've watched till this very moment, I honestly appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching till this time. If you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to click on the red subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of our upload. And remember to check Teddy Blake website and also follow them on their social media handles. Okay, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.